Hey everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey.
Mel, you ready for something cool?
I am ready. What's
Okay.
this bowl of water doing
So,
here?
just a bowl of water. And this is something we picked up from the hardware store. This is a water solidifier.
Okay.
It absorbs water and, helps you not spill if you're doing plumbing work or whatnot. But anyway,
okay.
so it's just a little packet. I'm going to give that to you. And I've got a craft stick for you and a craft stick for me. And what I'd like you to do is to just sprinkle that in the water as I stir it. And we're going to see how much of this water solidifier we can get to absorb all
Very
this
tiny,
water.
look like tiny beads or something.
It almost looks like sand. It looks
Yeah.
like a very, very pale
Just gotta
white
sprinkle
sand.
it in?
Yep, and just keep going. We're going to put that whole packet in here and see
Oh, okay.
what happens.
More?
Yep.
Looks like little beads going in. Oh, okay. It's like the whole packet?
Yep, all of it.
Oh,
We're gonna put all of it.
Oh,
We're
okay.
going to put all of it in
Got
there.
it. Okay.
And we're going to see
All done. Here we go.
what happens.
Ah.
So as it sits in the
Yes, look
water,
at that.
it starts to solidify.
It's
So I was kind
thickening.
of stirring it just to
Yes.
agitate it and see what happens.
It's actually sort of like jelly.
And it's gonna keep. We're gonna keep agitating it, and it's gonna keep soaking up the water. It sounds like a silly thing to say,
Right.
but it is still expanding by absorbing all that water
is.
and that moisture.
Whoa.
And
Sort of looks like snow.
once it's absorbed
Yeah.
as much as it can, it is going to look
Like
and
snow.
almost feel like
Snow.
snow.
It's very light and fluffy.
It's light and fluffy. It's a little cool because of that water.
Yes. That is like
But
the coolest thing.
isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It went from literally a bowl of water to this solid snow-like stuff. Is that cool?
That's neat. I like this.
So if you guys out there liked this activity and seeing this water solidifier as much as we did, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.